have the topic chemical reaction. What is chemical reaction? Chemical reaction results when two or more elements or compound react with each other or a compound break to give two or more substances. Means chemical reaction इस तरह का होता है कि इसमें चीज़ें बन भी सकती हैं और ब्रेक भी हो सकती हैं. मॉलिक्यूल नए भी बनेंगे और ब्रेक डाउन भी हो सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट वी हैव टाइप्स ऑफ केमिकल reaction. In types of chemical reaction, first type is synthesis or addition reaction. By name, we are getting that two or more elements will combine, then we will get one compound or complex substance. For example, when A plus B react, then we will get AB compound. Only one compound is formed. Examples are carbon plus oxygen. When combined, then we get only CO2. And when hydrogen and oxygen are combined, then we get only water molecule. Next we have decomposition reaction. Decomposition means break down. In this reaction, substance is broken down into two or more simpler substances. For example, when A plus B when A will break down into B plus C. Example is water molecule. When break down, then we will get hydrogen and oxygen. When carbon dioxide will break or decompose, then we will get carbon plus oxygen. Next we have displacement reaction. Displacement means जगह से हटाना. In this reaction, an atom or group of atom displaces an other atom or group of atom from molecule. कि एक एटम या ग्रुप ऑफ एटम किसी कंपाउंड में से दूसरे एटम को निकाल के उसकी जगह ले लेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल A प्लस बी सी गिव्स दैट AC प्लस बी. यहाँ पे A इतना रिएक्टिव है कि उसने B को धक्का मार के अलग कर दिया है और ख़ुद उसकी जगह ले ली है. एग्जाम्पल इज जिंक प्लस H2SO4. जिंक हाइड्रोजन की जगह पे आ जाएगा और हाइड्रोजन अलग हो जाएगी तो हमारे पास बनेगा जिंक सल्फेट एंड हाइड्रोजन. नेक्स्ट वी हैव एग्जाम्पल और नेक्स्ट वी हैव रिएक्शन डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. इट मीन्स इस रिएक्शन में दो अलग-अलग कंपाउंड होंगे और दोनों अपने अपने पार्टनर्स को एक्सचेंज करेंगे. इन दिस केमिकल रिएक्शन टू रिएक्टिंग मॉलिक्यूल्स एक्सचेंज देयर पार्टनर्स टू फॉर्म न्यू प्रोडक्ट लाइक AB plus CD. When react, then we get AD plus CB. Example is sodium chloride and silver nitrate. When react, then we get sodium nitrate and silver chloride. How? Here sodium and silver exchange their places. Sodium will take place of silver and silver will take place of sodium. In the same manner, barium chloride and sulfuric acid when react, then we get barium sulfate and hydrochloric acid. Next reaction we have hydrolysis reaction. Hydro means water. In this reaction one reactant must be water and water molecule break down, then reaction will proceed. Here are two conditions. When salt react with water, then we will get acid and base. Sodium carbonate is salt and H2O when react, then we get sodium hydroxide, base and carbonic acid. Next, when an element react with water, then we will get base and hydrogen gas. Sodium is element and water when react, then we get sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Next we have neutralization reaction. Neutralization, in this reaction two things that will be opposite in behavior or properties will neutralize each other. In this reaction the reactant must be acid and base as well. Acid and base are opposite in properties. These will cancel the effect of each other and will form salt and water. For example, acid and base. It is a general representation. When acid and base react with each other, then salt and water are formed. HCl is acid and base is NaOH. When both react, then we get sodium chloride, salt and water is formed. Nitric acid when react with sodium hydroxide, then we get sodium nitrate, salt and water. When sulfuric acid react with potassium hydroxide, then we get potassium sulfate, salt and water.